How many and which of the main Excel applications have you heard about? We can guarantee you that there are several. The main Excel features that we will highlight here are 1. Conditional formatting. Conditional is used to obtain two types of results, true or false, according to the condition that was established. This is pivotal to so many different professional areas. Given this option, there's no need to verify every detail of the spreadsheet in order to manually verify the result, because it's all automatic, seeing as the formula can validate each of the lines. 2. Search. It allows you to sift through information, whether text or numbers, within your Excel spreadsheet. It is necessary to place the range of rows or columns to be analyzed inside the parentheses. 3. Date and time. It is possible to enter the current data, which is the current month and the exact time and minute. For instance, these data types can be part of a report to the company's board or even the employee's timesheet. 4. Financial. The control of expenses and investments is extremely important, both for professional and personal life. In this case, regarding the financial matters, we can find several cool functions, such as the ones for calculating future payments and interest rates. 5. Statistics. We can find within this category, for instance, minimum, maximum, average, standard deviation, variance, among other formulas. All of which greatly facilitate the daily lives of professionals and students. 6. Mathematics. It even adds the cosine or log of an equation. Tech people, teachers and students find these Excel functions very practical. 7. Count. Feature used to count certain information within cells. This may be regarding numbers or text, but it works to identify wrong data and problems as well. 8. Convert. Feature used to convert formulas. Excel is also capable of making the most varied adaptations and, of course, everything with extreme accuracy, without the risk of you getting a wrong number. 9. Text is ideal for you to change any amount's display mode. It is very useful, especially for spreadsheets with a large number of rows and/or columns, as the transformation is instantaneous. No need to do everything manually.